Hey guys, welcome back to Sew Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how I made this simple top. I simply use a t-shirt as my pattern, so this is perfect for beginners. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. Mentioned earlier, I use a t-shirt as a template. I just simply trace the t-shirt on a piece of paper and I use it as my template. For the fabric, I am using a t-shirt jersey knit. Be sure that you are following the grain line. I will cut out the front panel first, so I folded the fabric like this, and I'm going to place the pattern on fold. If this is your first time to make a t-shirt, be sure to give it enough allowance so you can make a necessary adjustment if you need to. You don't really need to add any seam allowances just because the pattern has allowances already. Now I am cutting the back panel of the shirt. As you can see, the back neckline is higher than the front neckline. I will go ahead and cut out the sleeves. After that, I am going to join the shoulder seams. I will be using my serger for this project, but if you don't have a serger, you can just use your sewing machine. You can use a stretch stitch. I'm going to match the shoulder seam and the center of the sleeve, and I'm just going to pin it along the arm side. And then I'll go ahead and serge it along the edge. After that, it's time to join the side seams. I'm going to start from the underarm seams all the way down to the hemline. I already have a tutorial on how to attach a neckband. I'm going to have the link in the description box below so you can go ahead and watch that tutorial. Now all I have to do is finish the hemlines and the shirt is done. I really love how it turned out. As you can see, I'm going to turn around so you can see what it looks like at the back. And the t-shirt, I just kind of tuck it in like that to kind of give me a shape, just because if I don't, it's just like a flowy t-shirt, which I really like. Sometimes you just want to wear a flowy t-shirt like that, so I'm gonna tuck it back in. Here you go. So that's it, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every week. Be sure to hit that notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!